In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sale items in Depop. If you love finding great pieces at a discount, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to make sense of what you see. Start by heading to Depop. You can use a web browser or the app. Either way, you want to land on the main homepage. Once you're there, shift your focus to the very top section. This is the navigation area where Depop highlights key shopping hubs, and it's where the deals live. Look along that top bar for the option labeled Sale. It can appear alongside other featured sections, and it's designed to funnel you straight to discounted listings, so go ahead and select it. You'll be taken to Depop Sale Hub. Here, you'll typically see a clear split between women's sale and men's sale. Choose the section that best fits what you're shopping for. From there, you'll be prompted to select a category you like. Think along the lines of tops, jackets, shoes, or accessories. Pick the category that matches what you're hunting for so the results are more relevant. Once you're inside that category, you're in browsing mode. You'll see a grid of items, each with a photo and pricing details. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the discount indicators. Depop commonly shows the sale price prominently, with the original price crossed out and sometimes a percentage off. This helps you quickly understand how much you're saving. Take a moment to scan titles and thumbnails for brand names, sizes, and condition cues. Photos often reveal key details like fabric texture or wear, so it's worth pausing on listings that include multiple angles and close-ups. Also be mindful of any notes that might suggest tailoring needs, vintage sizing differences, or minor flaws. These are common on pre-loved items and good to know up front. When something catches your eye, click into the item. On the product page, you can clearly see how much the item is discounted. Look for the sale price, the original price, and any percentage reduction to get the full picture of the deal. While you're there, review the description for measurements, fabric content, care instructions, and condition notes. Photos can usually be expanded, which helps you check seams, prints, and hardware more closely. It's also helpful to glance at the seller's profile for ratings and any shipping details provided on the listing. And that's it. By going to Depop, heading to the sale section at the top, choosing women's or men's sale, selecting a category you like, browsing thoughtfully, and opening an item to view its discounted price, you'll quickly find the best deals without missing a thing.